Hello everyone, welcome to Elite Expertise. I am Dr. Sadamni Sinha, currently student with Elite Expertise. Elite Expertise is an online training platform for all the international pharmacists who wants to practice in Australia. Today we have with us Ali Azam. Hi Ali, how are you? And congratulations on clearing your KAPS exam in just the first take. How do you feel?
Hello everyone, and I'm very fine basically. Alhamdulillah. Thank you very much for congratulating me, and thanks Arif sir and Harika madam with whole the Elite Expertise team for their tremendous support and help to us to clear the CAPS exam basically. Thank you.
Please introduce yourself. Where are you from? What have you studied? What have you done?
Okay. I am ATM Ali Ajom. I am from Bangladesh, basically, Dhaka, Bangladesh. I have completed my B.Pharm honors course at 2009. And afterwards that, I have joined in pharmaceutical industry and served there about 13 years. And between this, my professional ongoings, I have completed my M.Pharm also. And currently I am in job, and you know that I am trying for CAPS and have cleared the CAPS exam and looking for the opportunities to practice in Australia as a pharmacist.
So why did you choose KAPS as your pathway to migrate to Australia?
There are so many reasons basically. First of all, you know that we have limited opportunities in here in this subcontinent to practice as a community or hospital pharmacist. That was the really the interesting part of this profession basically. Presently, I have worked at industry 13 years and looking for the opportunity to practice as a community or hospital pharmacist so that I can serve myself as a pharmacist directly to the patients and directly to the treatment procedure. That's why I was finding, and I was looking for the Canada basically, but unfortunately that was not suitable for me in every prospect. And afterwards that I have found CAPS pathway and APC pathway, which is knowledge stream, that was much more familiar with me in each and every prospect, and I have chosen that.
So why did you choose Elite Expertise?
There are so many reasons, basically. You know that the previous students also recommended that Elite Expertise is the best platform. But on my way, basically, I have found Arif sir with a free class, demo class, basically, and I found that the class was too much good for me, and I have become confident about that with this journey, with the journey of CAPS with Elite Expertise. I will be able to clear, basically. It will make me more confident to clear the exam. That's why I have joined in here.
So how much time did you take for passing your KAPS exam?
Uh, if frankly speaking, in the earlier, I had spent 4 to 5 hours in a day, but later on, at the last month, basically, I have spent 40 to 18 hours a day because you know that I was in job, so that earlier days I have not spent so many times. But afterwards that, when I take leave from my job and I have concentrated on that. So frankly speaking, the last month was very crucial for me, the preparation.
So what did you like about Elite Expertise?
The teaching strategy, basically, concept-based teaching was too much good. That helped me a lot to clear the exam because my questions paper was completely different from the others, common students. And I think 4 or 5 students from our coaching, we have found that type of questions or that type of papers, basically. But we have not felt that we have become successful to complete things.
So, what are the teaching strategies that you liked about Elite Expertise?
Uh, the concept-based teaching, continuous teaching, and make things very much clear to the students, each and every concept. Till the end, basically, sir and ma'am has still taught us with us, and they have not left us before the exam, basically, so that we were not basically scared, a little bit scared, basically, about the exam, but sir and ma'am has supported us continuously, continuously, continuously. They were with us. I think in the paper when we were sitting for the exam, basically, the voice was on we are hearing the voice of sir and ma'am continuously. That makes us very much confident to complete the exam.
So, what are the top 3 points that you think have really helped you in clearing your KAPS exam?
I think, first of all, the support from elite expertise, obviously, that was tremendous from sir and ma'am in each and every aspect, basically. And the second one is we focused on the goal and continuation of the study procedure. Uh, 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 each and every day you have to spend some hours for your study. And the third one is that be confident on you and on your teachers.
And do you have any suggestions for our future aspirants?
Yes, definitely. Elite expertise will be the best, not only the best, I will say the great best. And what I should say, I don't know, but it will be the best one for preparing the KAPS exam, basically. And you know that the syllabus is too much large. And Sir and Harika ma'am has made it very much easier for the students to crack the exam within the shortest period of time. Those are in job, basically, they are also will feel in here that it will not be tough for them, basically. I think so. And it will be easier to pass the exam within the shortest period of time and obviously in the fastest.
Thank you so much, Ali, and all the very best for your future. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Saran ma'am. Thank you, the Elite Expertise team.
Thank you.